Welcome back, everybody. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon up here. You can see the clouds are starting to come in, and the winds have really picked up. Just look at this. I mean, it's just oh boy. Yeah, I'm hoping these palm trees don't blow around the house. It's going to be a mess if it does. A hell of a cleanup. And anyway, let's go down. I'm going to take a look outside. You can see the trees just flailing around in the wind. And yeah, the bamboo too. So let's I'll walk you around to the side again. There you can see the shredded all over the place now. They're starting to blow sideways. Roofs may start lifting, and it's getting close to really damaging winds. This is probably closer to the 30 end of things right now, with gusts up to 45, 50. Oh, look at that. Let's see, get up here. I'll be doing good if I get through this without some big branches breaking, and hopefully the storm doesn't do any damage, but we'll see. Yeah, so here's a look down the ocean. This is southwest straight down this way, and then here we're looking a little more off to the northwest or west. Yeah, okay, there's the north shore there, through there. So most of the cloud cover is coming in. It's banking up on the south side of the island right now. And it is amazing. Trees can put up with that kind of stuff. We're probably going to end up with some down power lines and all kinds of stuff. But anyway, all right, well, I'm going to shut it off, and then I'll come back maybe around 5 or 6 and do one more pass, and then I'll see how we are at that point. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Aloha. Okay, it's 3 o'clock, about a half an hour after I was out last. We've got some prefrontal cloud bands moving in right now, and the wind's still howling. So yeah, the cloud band's about a mile from the house here right now, and it's blowing off to the north shore. I don't know if you can see the clouds moving. This doesn't show it very well. But, anyway, you might be able to see it, maybe not. This camera's not very good at showing the speed of anything. But yeah, this is looking down towards Kahului. You can't see anything down there. And it's getting socked in, and then Kula's starting to get some clouds wrapping around this side of the mountain now too. So anyway, Yeah, and then the winds continue to hammer the house here. So anyway, just thought I'd bring you out for a quick one and let you go now. All right, aloha everybody. It is now 4 o'clock. I don't know if you can see all the water on the porch deck here. There's the rain. That was the clouds that were just off about a mile out before. And the winds are still blowing hard. The rain's coming all the way in on the porch here. And anyway, I just wanted to come out and show you where we're at. I may not be able to get much more footage as the night progresses, but this may be the last of the footage, today. But yeah, this is still prefrontal cloud band. The front actually is not going to get here for another 8 hours. So it's starting to get chilly and wet, and it's still getting wild out here. So hopefully we survive this all right. The trees don't blow over or anything, but we'll see what happens, and we'll deal with it when it does. All right, everybody. I'm going to talk to you later. Aloha. All right, it's February 2nd, and it's now 5 o'clock, and I just heard a loud crashing sound, and I was wondering what it was, and I just found it. My worst fears, the fishtail palm just fell against the house. It couldn't have picked a better place. It hit right where this wall is. So anyway, yeah, today the highest sustained winds in Kahului were 33 miles an hour, with the highest gust at 53. So yeah, we're dealing with some real wind here. It's amazing it didn't break, because this is a glass wall right here, and it hit right against this portion of the wall that transferred the load, so it was able to resist any real damage. So, God, that's just amazing. So yeah, you think there ain't any wind out there? There definitely is. So boy, the bamboo's breaking off, and pieces coming down, breaking branches all over the place, and we still haven't hit the highest winds yet. Hopefully I don't get squashed. And this got blown off the deck. Great. Okay. Oh, my lemon tree's pushed down. It lost its support. Let me see if I can push this back up. Okay. So that's it. Yeah, this is wreaking havoc. Okay, so there's the tree falling against the house. As long as it's pushing the way it is, hopefully it'll be fine. I've got a 4x4 beam there, but shit, if any of these other two go, we're going to have some real problems. So, well, anyway, I guess I'm going to be working on this the next week, trying to cut some of this stuff down, get that out of there. But, okay. Shit. Okay, well, not much I can do about it right now. Okay, so that frontal shower band's still coming in through. The front's not expected to hit here till midnight, and there's going to be a lot of cleanup tomorrow or the next couple days. Bamboo. All right, well, I'm going to let you guys go and go back in and hope that we do okay here. All right, now the picture you're seeing is the tree up against the house, and what I'm going to end up having to do is get up there and cut that tree down. I'm going to cut it right at the roof line, lay the tree down on the roof and work on it, and try and cut it up on the roof, and then I'll have to pull the lower part back and do something with it. So anyway, that's the end of this video. Talk to you later. Aloha.